We all appreciate great service. That's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. We pride ourselves in providing the best possible service now and in the future, and this type of feedback motivates us to keep working hard. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from past visitors, we also love earning 5-star reviews from new people. We want to earn one from you. Contact the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.